Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can transfer data from your old phone to Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. If you want to do that, we need to go to the app drawer, for instance, open the Samsung folder, and you want to use Smart Switch app. This is an app that allows you to transfer data without having to install anything, at least on this device. You will need to have a similar app on your old device, but you can download it from the Play Store, for instance. And over here we want to tap continue, then over here scroll down and press allow, and there we go. Now we can choose what we want to do. So we want to receive data, as we want to transfer from the old device to this new one, and then we need to select a source. So in my case it is Galaxy/Android, and then we can either use a cable or we can do this wireless. So in my case, I'm gonna do this wireless as I don't have the USB-C cable for on both sides. So I'm gonna use wireless, and now we need to get Smart Switch on the old device. And if you select that option, then you can choose to use it to get it for other Android phone or tablet, or Samsung Galaxy phone or tablet. So most likely you will use another Android phone, and you will generate the QR code that you can scan, but it is not really necessary. All you need to do is simply download the Smart Switch on your old device, and then you want to open it. So on the old device we want to press let's go, and we want to connect wirelessly, and there we go. Now we are searching for nearby devices, and as you can see there is something being detected already. There we go, we have the new device over here, so we can press accept. There we go. And then we have searching for data to transfer, so we need to wait a while. And then we have the option what we want to transfer. So we have the option to transfer everything and the approximate time how long it will take. We can also transfer just accounts, calls, contacts, and messages, or we can tap on custom in order to decide what we want to transfer by ourselves. We can also press see what can be transferred, and in this case we can see that read-only contacts cannot be copied, calendar events that are from synced accounts, data that can be transferred due to the app's policies, and so on and so forth. So let's actually choose custom, and then let's press next. And now over here we can see everything that we can transfer. So we have accounts, we have calls and contacts, messages, apps, settings, images, videos, music and recordings, and so on and so forth. In addition to that, we also have even the micro SD card. So we even have the memory card. So if you use memory card on your older device, it is being detected over here as well. So let's say we're gonna choose documents and files as an example. We can also press this arrow in order to find something specific. So we don't even have to transfer everything. If you press the arrow, then you will find more over here, and you can then select just specific items that you want to transfer. So once you select what you want to transfer, then you can press transfer, and there we go. Now we are transferring data, and it's all done. We can press next, all set, press done, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.